Hi guys, I'm Patty. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to make Mexican food staple. If you're gonna be cooking Mexican food along with me, you need to have this recipe. You know which one it is? Guess. I'm waiting. Ooh, you got it. I see you. I see you. Yes, probably if you read the title you already know, but just play along. Anyway, it's Mexican cauliflower rice. So it's going to be one of those basic recipes that you're gonna be making over and over. You're gonna put like a little twist on it, and I'm gonna be making more flavor rice, but this is like the staple that I make, so I think you're gonna love it. Okay, so let's go watch the video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Share the recipe if you liked it, and let's go check it out. That was it. Thank you for watching, and if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share it if you liked it. If you make the recipe and post on Instagram, please tag me. I would love to see that, and see you next time.